off the gun, Montgomery.
Oh, I should have kept going outside. Had a 62-point game, 74-point game.
First run of the game for Jahmyr Gibbs, the Alabama product.
You got to break them, Jahmyr.
Here's a 2nd and 8. Out of the gun, Goff.
Oh, I jumped.
Picked up by a Kettle Witherspoon. And the Rams will take over here. After the interception, here's Stafford. Oh, the first play of the game going to be intercepted. Jack Campbell with a pick. And the return will stop right around the 25.
Brand, I almost expect you to come in like an auctioneer. We got two. Do I hear 3? Remember, it was 2 in a row. We hit 3 in a row because these offenses, they got to be a little bit more careful as they go forward. These defenders, they're locked in and really focused.
No room to be had there on the field.
They did a really nice job there defensively. Our BCR players, guys are responsible for the bootleg, for the cut, and for the reverse. They played that one perfectly.
And rode him right
Oh, why did I throw it like that? That's cool. Damn, man. All I had to do was put some air on it. All he had to do was put some air on it.
They're still sitting at 0 better after throwing a 2nd interception.
Oh, you're supposed to catch them, Hutchinson.
Fine line when you're setting up the screen. You don't want to throw it too early and have the defense react too quickly. And you definitely don't want to throw it too late. And that way it's not formed perfectly. Got to make sure you hit it just right.
And he'll find some space up here looking for 3 yards to pick up the first. Stafford on 3rd down. Oh, the turnover fest continues. Here's another interception. And he will bring it back.
There we go.
Return for a Lions touchdown. But what a response by that defensive unit.
Mine too.
They just saw their offense throw the interception. They come defenses.
I'm going to whoop you in slow motion so your lag can catch up.
But so far, the defenses are stealing the show.
After the interception, here's Goff.
I don't know why I went to him.
They don't get the conversion, but they're going to go right into the onside kick formation. And the hands team for the Rams able to
Ooh, he almost.
If we try and work along with them and speculate a little bit here, they must feel like they need to steal possessions in this game, and maybe they don't match up possession for possession with the opposite team. Because the quarterback's been struggling a little bit.
On Stafford for the 3rd time is intercepted. It's Brian Branch with it. And a complete pass on that last play, and that means they'll need to come up with something here on 3rd down. Goff now to throw. He's got it complete to Gibbs. And he works it across the 25 before being tackled. On 1st down, it's gone. This throw's going to be incomplete.
All right, slow.
2nd and 10. Up the middle, it's Montgomery. He juked him. There he goes, left side. And he's going to get this one all the way down to the Rams' 31-yard line. So the big play changes the complexion of things. Here's 1st and 10 just outside the 30. Now Goff. Hit as he throws there.
I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong, cuz.
The arm was going forward, incomplete pass.
There you go. I had to put these headphones on and get personal with you.
On second down, here's Gibbs. He winds up getting only a couple.
All so far, they've stacked him up pretty well, but when you're trying to run the football, sometimes you got to play the long game. Keep handing it to him, and some of those runs that aren't working now, they turn into 6, 7, 8, and maybe more later on.
Throwing on third, Goff. And here's another interception, the third of this first quarter. And now the rookie's free.
And the Rams are going to head crossing route here, and the idea of it is to get defenders confused about who to go with. But if you throw it too early,
and his pass is intercepted for the fourth time today. Jack Campbell with a pick. And he will bring it back. An interception return for the Lions.
It went lagging.
Standard nickel, not the Buffalo, as teams like to call it, meaning 3 safeties for big nickel. They just want to take away the quarterback's throwing lanes, and that's exactly what they did and came through with a big time.
I agree with you, Cub, but after these last 2 games, I have became your arch enemy.
So they'll get another shot on offense following that pick 6.
Look,
and now the kick is
look like we finna make a new numero trace.
From a couple yards.
Numero trace. Oh, let it go.
And only able to get this to the offense, ready to go for their next drive. They find themselves in a good-sized hole here, and a good-sized hole early on in this game as they come up on first down. Got a man open. It's Tyler Higbee. 13 yards, picking up the first. From the 32 now, here's 1st and 10. A shotgun snap for Stafford.
Oh, I came off of him.
On the catch. And he'll be taken down, but not before they work at it. Throwing quickly out wide to Atwell. And some room to run now. And down to the 20.
Yeah, I got it too. I told you, I've been feeling the lag too. It ain't just you.
They're going to be set up in great shape with 1st and goal. Will score. Touchdown, LL until the very end. Touchdown goes on his stat sheet, but you and I both know, and he knows as well, his teammates airing it out made this a successful drive.
And he got it at 1 score, still first half, but they're going to line up.
I tell him don't get greedy, he get greedier. Ooh.
Looks like the Rams might have things to do.
You score, it was meant to be. I get it back, we know what it is.
But you have to do it in order to help your team win.
Unable to recover it, it costs him. The kicking team gets the football here. And he's corralled at the 40, but not before picking up 8. Ball on the 40 now. Here's 2nd and 2. Again, it's Williams. And he'll get it down on the play to the
Go ahead and give it to your back. Let him pick up a 1st down. Keep the sticks moving.
They'll run out of the gun here. Williams. A good gain of 9 before he's brought down.
Making 1st downs, keep the clock running. And if they're smart, you're starting to milk the clock. No hurry before you run your 2nd down play.
On 2nd down, Williams. And he's able to get it down to the 25.
Downfield. I bet the offensive lineman said, are you kidding? We just get on our backs. Being physical. Almost feels like old school fundamentals, doesn't it? Runs.
Yeah, 5 straight carries to start this drive, and like you said, the way it's working, they need to stick with it. So the call's made by Sean McVay. They're going to go for 2. Snap is good. And they don't get it. Following the touchdown, here's Marr to kick it away. And they're going to mark that where it went out of bounds. So really good starting field for this Lions offense. Set for a 1st and 10 at the 41-yard line. Trying the left side with Gibbs. And he still is yet to get on track in this first half. He's stopped behind the line. Here's Goff. Open middle of the defender's Woods.
That should have been done in Big Sky Country. Already speed limits out there, and off he went. Glad I wasn't the one trying to chase it.
And this is going to come. It's an onside kick. And the hands team for the Rams able to secure the football. A second quarter
Situation, you know, and the right approach and going after it also may signal that they feel like they have the superior team, that they can try these sorts of things and it won't come back and hurt them later.
Dancing to his left. And he can't find anywhere. It's in there and drops it. And they need to work to at least get some of this yardage back after the sack. 2nd and 19. Now Stafford. That's going to be knocked away and incomplete. Finding it in this case, when it arrived, it wasn't a surprise, and he was able to bat it away. Now on 3rd and long, they'll look to throw. Pass back into this game. It hasn't been the greatest of first half, but this is a nice throw here on 3rd down, and they keep the drive going. Stafford on 1st down. Here's 2nd and 10. To the air again, Stafford. And it's going to be another 1st down. It's 1st and 10 at the 14-yard line. Up the middle, it's Williams. And he'll get it still. A good 1st down run. That's what an offense calls staying on schedule. 3 to 4 yards on 1st down. You're set up very well for the rest of the drive. Williams going to get it again on 2nd down. And he is met. 7 yards from the 1st down here as they come up to the line of scrimmage. Throwing on 3rd down, Stafford. And he's got it. That's caught for a Ram touchdown. A great effort there. With his 2nd. Going to stay out there and go for 2. They'll try and throw for it. That's caught at the 1. So you just make sure you never back up and you never retreat. You establish yourself really on the line of scrimmage. Put your heels on the goal line at worst. And if they're going to throw the ball, they can throw it over your head because they're going to run out of space because of the back of the end zone. Never let it go. The Lions offense ready to kick off their next drive. But right now, we've got a little bit of an offensive masterpiece going on both sides, moving the football, scoring points. It's almost like somebody put the defense on rookie mode in this one. Board. As a former defender, you know I'm not enjoying this at all. But right now, both these teams just trading haymakers. Let's see if anyone slips up first. Can anyone counter with a nice little jab and get things going in their direction? On 2nd and 10, Goff. That's caught inside the 20. And he's brought down after a very nice game. The Lions now going to use the 2nd of their timeouts as they'll stop it with exactly. He throws that one with any type of arc, puts a little air under it. That play doesn't happen. He had to fire it in there, and he did exactly that. And he will score. Touchdown, Lions. Gibbs, an 18-yard touchdown.
changed the second half as well. How you want to do things on offense, and your defense feels much better too, having that.
Trying to put the pedal to the metal here. They're going to try an onside kick. And the hands team for the Rams able to secure the football. That's why you had
kick. It wasn't anything like that, just that the normal outcome actually came to play. Analytics will tell you it's a very low possibility of getting the ball for the team kicking it in an onside kick situation.
You're all about the numbers, aren't you?
All about the numbers, baby. It's a new game now.
They don't lie. On first down, it's Stafford. Oh, the ball comes out on the hit, but they'll say it's incomplete. As far, that's not where you want to be.
Now you see the evolution of the game. You go back to the quarterbacks of old, 50% would be terrific because they threw the ball downfield almost every time they threw it. Now with a short passing game, you should be above 60.
On first down, Stafford here. He gets this into the hands of Cup once again. Williams. And just a short gain that time as they're able to get him down. On the sneak, it's Stafford.
What hell? He ain't even move, bro. Oh.
To the kicker. He looks like he's going to throw it. It's caught inside the 5. And he'll get into the end zone.
I ain't worried about none of that. None of I know that.
First half, but they're going to line up for the onside kick.
Can he get it?
And the Lions are able to cover this one up. The risk reward.
The day out.
These offenses have been in fine form. What will the second half bring us?
But I'm gonna do you just like the day before.
And here comes a return from a few steps into the end zone.
Hey y'all, if y'all watching, y'all wanna.
Well, Charles, in that first half, we saw a fair amount of offense on both sides of the football, and now the team trailing here will start with it in the third quarter.
And we both know this coach pretty darn well, don't we? Because his game plan really strong, I believe, to get things going here in the third quarter.
Now a handoff. Here's Williams. And he'll work down inside the foot.
Only getting 4 yards on the carry. I think he had designs on that one being bigger.
In motion comes the tight end left. Williams going to get it again on second down. And he'll go down here. On first and 10, Stafford. Into the hands of Skoranek. They'll hand it off now. Williams. And he is swallowed in there. Off of play action. Here's Stafford. And a big loss here as he's taken down. There. He'll lead his guys up to go for it on fourth down. Here we go on fourth. Stafford. And they hit him as he throws.
Won't get up.
And the Lions will take over. The Detroit offense ready to begin their drive. Drive starts with a run from Gibbs. And a strong run that time. Gone. Setting up the screen. This is Gibbs. And this one goes nowhere. Losing yardage on the play back at the 46. On second down, here's Goff. And the Rams got it. They bring him down. So now following the sack, Goff and the Lions needing to come up with something here on third and long. Out of the gun now on third down. He's got his target. That's complete. And he's going to get this one down to the edge of the red zone. So a big play as it gets him all the way down to the 20 now for 1st and 10. Gibbs straight ahead. And they got it inside the 10 at the 8. They're going to hurry back to the line now. Goff going to move his guys around a bit. They'll run with Gibbs. And he will maneuver his way down to about the 7. The line of scrimmage, the 7 now on 2nd and goal. Out of the gun, Goff. He gets this out wide to Gibbs. And Obama.
Still farmed them. Still farmed them.
David Montgomery call. His guys will go for 2 here. They'll look to throw. And that's caught at the 2.
I waited too late to throw it.
Not enough. They want more, an onside kick. And the hands team for the Rams able to secure the football. They try the left side here with Williams. And he is good.
Look at that going.
Now it's Stafford. And oh my goodness, here's a 5th interception. Picked off by Cameron Sutton. And the Lions are going to get the football back as time will run out in this 3rd quarter of play.
I just told you when none of that going, cuz. I told you.
So it'll be a change of possession on the turnover when we get back. We'll return with more after this break. You're watching the NFL on EA Sports.
Yeah,
Hey, check that, street.
A little jet sweep to start the drive. And a little spin cycle. Spot here to get a 1st down and try to run some more clock. And this is 2nd and less than a yard. 5 yards is the pickup there as that extends this. We'll take it inside the 20.
They stop it for like 5 yards. We'll switch it. But I don't think they can stop it. We'll run the game out with it.
Oh, they're going to run a little pop pass here. The Lions on 3rd down. They've converted 3 out of 5.
Mama, tell them, Mama.
3rd and 7. Goff now looks to throw. Work in the middle of the field, and he's got a man complete. Touchdown.
Mama, there go that.
Goff and that Lions offense staying on the field. They'll try for 2. They'll drop to throw. And this one incomplete. So they went for the 2. They don't.
Focus. Watch it all the way in and tuck it away.
And we'll see a return here from the end zone. And no chance to get away as they'll get it down at about the 7. Drive the Rams offense at the line. So now, Charles, this drive maybe a touch more important, trying to erase the memory of that interception they had the last time out.
Yeah, and everyone goes through this because that you call, but how you carry yourself, how you show your team that you're still with it, and how you continue to lead.
Stafford. And my goodness, another interception. It's the linebacker, Alex Anzalone. This is getting tough to watch. I mean, you feel for him, but 6 interceptions, that's at a whole new level. It's not a good level.
It makes it tougher and tougher to come up with ways to try and support him, but you have to as a team because you can't just throw your...
And he will score. Touchdown, Second touchdown of the afternoon. And the Lions
I know.
offense staying on the field as they're going to try for 2. Now here's a little touch pass as they tap it quickly to their receiver. And he is into the end zone again as he scores both the touchdown and
It's the leg. I hear cool about that giving you that motivational speech. It's okay. It's just the lag, cuz.
That ultimately cannot get the LA
I get enjoyment from all types of fucked up shit.
Where we stand right now in the fourth quarter, this one pretty much out of reach. And Charles, I know they're going to be disappointed about several things in this ball game, but the self-inflicted wounds, they've had several turnovers.
Was it?
Every error that they made and figure out how to not do it in the future. And mentally, I think a lot of the guys are already starting to think about, okay, how do we put this behind us?
And now here is another interception. Chauncey Gardner-Johnson with a pick.
That boy dancing through the hole on them fools. Oh, excuse me. He was playing flat. And we finna score again. 50-piece lemon pepper coming soon.
Sometimes you just have a lousy game. Doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad career. But when you're talking about
Oh, we had the underneath.
you're right, not lucky at all. Tight end look that came out for the offense.
I thought they were going to switch.
Yeah, I know you
They
did
felt they didn't
today.
have time or what the case was.
Well, in any event, the extra speed allowed for great penetration as they stuffed that one behind the line of scrimmage.
And now a hook up downfield on second down. And he'll go down, but not before getting this inside the 30. Goff on first down. Throw to St. Brown, complete on the left side. And he's brought down, but not before he reaches the 8-yard line. 2 big plays in succession. Not sure this D knows what hit him, but now they got to get ready. It's first and goal. Straight ahead with Gibbs here. And he takes this one in for a Lions touchdown. 2 big plays in succession. Not sure this D knows what hit him, but now they got to get ready. It's first and goal. Straight ahead with Gibbs here. And he takes this one in for a Lions touchdown. 4 scores now here in this fourth quarter. Goff looking to throw. And it's intercepted at the goal line. Picked off by Akello Witherspoon.
I done took your team, cuz.
And the hands team for the Rams able to secure the foot.
Percent of the time, the team expecting it, they do actually recover the ball, which is what we saw here. I just wonder if that number is much more of a anecdotal type of a number. Kind of like when the
We down there.
He's battled all of the interceptions. Things just haven't been true to form for him. I don't know. What do you think's going on out there, CD?
That's a great question, and my suspicion is
Oh, I couldn't get there.
really well to not show that he's having a problem. You know, they're taking advantage.
They'll try and run. This is Williams. And he is met in his tracks behind the line of scrimmage. Just 2 minutes remaining here. Here's Stafford. And this is caught.
Come on, Roundel, man.
And he's able to work free in the middle of the end zone and grabs that one for a touchdown.
Stafford's going to try and throw for him. And my goodness, another interception. Picked off by Cameron Sutton.
It's interesting that when it comes to two
of work left to do, but here comes the onside kick. And the Lions are able to cover this one up. Throwing now, Goff. It's in.
Yeah, you was letting in the L. Here you talking about.
almost makes you start to feel for the defense and root for them a little bit too.
Here's Goff now on second down. They'll set up the screen to Montgomery. And brought down, but able to get it to their 30-yard line. Looking to speed things up here, going with some tempo.
Who said I was going to be dangerous? I just said I was going to put it in the L.
On first down, it's gone.
There you go. That's dangerous.
And he gets it all the way down inside the 10 and mark him at the 5. To throw is Goff. He's got his man. It's caught. Offense staying on the field.
What I'm talking about, 360 plus games. Here you talking about.
They'll try and throw for it. And his pass is intercepted for the 4th time today.
We give you them.
Trying to go for the onside kick here. And the hands team for the Rams.
Oh, why he didn't get popped? He was. Branch was supposed to do his thing with him in the air.
Stafford. And under the Lions' pressure, he's brought down. The Rams going to go ahead and use the first of their time. 8 yards to go on second down after the sack. Work to be done. Throwing is Stafford. He's going to let it fly. And it's knocked away and incomplete. That last play, and that means they'll need to come up with something here on third down. Back to throw, Stafford.
Oh, they wouldn't let me switch it.
But that one, like a lot of others, winds up incomplete.
Desperation time for Stafford on fourth down. Now a desperation throw deep downfield. And he knocks the ball away and it falls in.
If they come on the field, they get fucked up. Don't come on the field.
Goff gonna throw it. Throw left side complete. That's Gibbs. The Lions will use the first of their timeouts. It's just their first. They've got 2 more to use here in the final.
We're going to blame it on the lad, though. Don't worry about it. It's the lad.
Here's Goff. And he's going to go down. Sacked right around the
70-some point game off my leg. I ain't never scared.
Goff.
Oh, no.
And his pass is intercepted for the 4th time today. John Johnson with the INT. And the Rams. Yes.
Okay, so let's face it, though. Who's happy about this play? Fantasy guys, right?
Yeah.
The analytics will tell you one thing or another. That's a bad play on one hand, a good play on the other. But it's all about the fantasy points here.
Yeah, because this ball game is over. And they just
Supposed to say.
39 now. They'll come up on a 1st and 10. One last throw here for Stafford.
What you gonna do in 2 seconds to get?
And that will be incomplete.
Man, please.
As this defense walks off the field, they can do so with their heads held high. What a performance. performance by the offense, too. I mean, really, Charles, just complete domination on both sides of the football here in this one.
Certainly was, and I think both sides compete against each other all the time. You go to each other in practice.
Another dub. That's 3 in a row with Cubs. 60 points all 3 games. Look at the last 3 games we played, man.